What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today is February 27th. It is Thursday.
I don't like a vlog.
Today is Thursday. I'm on my way to Walmart to pick Chino up something. And I just came from Burlington Coat Factory. I know you guys missed me. I miss you guys. So I'm officially back. Yeah, I just gotta go get my baby something from Walmart. This is his car seat. This is my CHEEN.
I'm not changing, I'm Donald.
My baby. Yes, I'm so excited to be vlogging. Like, I miss vlogging so much. You guys haven't seen me since Christmas, so Happy New Year! Okay, so I'm in Walmart. I'm about to get Chino some Pampers, and CHEEN wants some more Beyblades. Y'all, he loves Beyblades. Love, love, love. Go ahead, CHEEN. What we looking for?
Baby.
All right, come on. Y'all, I got Chino in the cart. This thing is heavy, and it's only his car seat because I didn't bring his stroller. All right. Not there. Y'all know how it is in Walmart.
I found it.
You found it?
Yeah, I want to bust the
Okay, there we
Achilles.
go. There we
Now
go.
I'm the Achilles.
Don't get one that you already have. You don't have that one, right?
Huh?
Which one is that?
Choose the Achilles.
Okay.
I don't need a stadium. I don't want it.
You have a stadium.
Yeah, mommy.
You got a stadium for Christmas. So you got what you want? Okay, what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Today is Saturday, February 29th. I'm making some shrimp. Recipes Pop Smoke is one of my favorite songs. Or Make the Rule Volume 2. And yeah. Hi, Chino. Hi, Chino. Oh, no, I don't like that, right? Want to sit up? Come on. You got it all in my face. Hi, Chino.
Stop it.
Chino. Hi.
Trash.
Hi, CHEEN. Hi, Chino.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Chino.
Bros.
Bros, where Chino? Yeah?
He said, yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
Bro, Chino? Bros? Yeah? Like, now, maybe he's tired.
Okay.
You tired? You want to lay down? Okay.
CHEEN, show your iPad.
Fine.
Whoa. CHEEN got an iPad. I wish I had an iPad. CHEEN, you like your iPad?
Yeah, I want to show my iPad.
Hold on. Nice. What game is that?
2K. 2K.
Oh, okay. how I look at this point. Like, I just have to make it to church. So we driving to New York City right now. Yes, we on our way to CHEEN Daddy
house.
But anyway, y'all, I just want to come check in. Church was amazing. The word was amazing.
It was amazing.
We left Jersey. Well, we leaving Jersey. About to get on Holland Tunnel right now. I need to get my nails and my hair done. I also need to get one of them things that hold my phone because I got the 11 Max Pro now. But guys, I still have my 6 S Plus. Like, you know. Okay guys, so we just left CHEEN Dad getting his Christmas gifts. Today is March 1st and we're just getting his Christmas gifts. This is so funny to me because every year like CHEEN get his stuff, like he has to go and pick up his stuff, and every year like we get it after Christmas. But he's gonna be excited when he open it. Christmas in March. So today is March 2nd. I'm at the dentist and I'm getting the implants put in. I was here last week to get them, but I sent them back to the lab because I wanted them to be whiter because I plan on whitening my teeth. So today is the day, and yeah, I'll show you guys once I get them put in. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm back and I need my hair done. I just left the dentist. So first and foremost, I want to tell y'all, I'm gonna link the video below. It's a vlog from I believe it was last year, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I believe it was like it was last year, I think a little before I got pregnant. And it showed me going to the dentist. I was getting a procedure done for my dental implant. You could just watch the first video so you could just get like an update. Let me turn this down so you can get an update. So you can get like a backstory of, you know, the implants, because I think I described a little bit of the procedure and what was going on there. But obviously I got pregnant, and you know, you're not supposed to really do much when you're pregnant. So fast forward, I went and I finished up the procedure, and I finally got my implants in my mouth. Yeah guys, so that's why I love my teeth. But I needed implants because I had to, you know, replace missing teeth. It's very expensive, but you know, it's basically like surgery. Like everybody getting like the surgery, they want to look good, they want to, you know, have a perfect smile, perfect body, whatever. But you know, I personally would say take care of your teeth first. But anyway, so guys, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna whiten my natural teeth. So I got the implants, I believe it's 2 shades lighter than my teeth right now, because my teeth is not whitened, it's just, you know, it's natural color. But anyway, yes, so I'm excited. So I got them. So they are right here. Cool. It's those 2. And I'm super excited. It looks so nice, so natural, so like strong, healthy, everything. Like I'm just like so excited, and I'm so happy that it's finally over. If you guys are like, oh, how much did you pay? So I had to get 2. So basically I paid $2,000. So I paid $4,000 in total. So yeah, I paid 4 bands in total. Some places probably do $1,500, you know, per dental implant. Some places will probably do $3,000, you know, all depends where you go. I went to a dentist that, like I said, watch the last video. I don't even know, so y'all don't mind me. But yeah, and I'm excited. So I'm gonna close out this vlog, and I'm gonna see you on the next vlog. Like I said, I am back. Next vlog, my hair gonna be done. We're gonna be turning up because it's gonna be a more upbeat, exciting vlog, because I have things to do this weekend. So that's gonna be my next vlog. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see. Show some love. Give me some feedback. You know, leave your thoughts. Positive vibes only. Mwah! Thank you guys for watching. Chino came with mommy to the dentist. Say hi, baby. So I came with my mama to the dentist. Chino, you came around me. Yo, my baby is so cute. Like, it's the girls. This is like he got your whole face. It's ridiculous, and he really do. You really do got my whole face. Y'all think he look like me? Comment below if y'all think Chino my twin. I think Chino my twin. I think my baby my twin. His sock came off. I think my fat boy my twin. Okay, we can't give the vlog too much, Chino, because you know how they do. You know how they do. Look at my son. Like, you can't make this up. Like, this is good genes. Like, this is good genes. It's a nice day outside. We downtown. I had to get in the back with Chino. We downtown. It's a nice day outside. Nice day outside. We downtown. We downtown. Chino, say we outside. We outside. Baby, hold on. Okay, hold on, baby. Hold on. Chino, say we outside. Tell him, Chino. Tell him, baby. My baby new coat coming in the mail. Cause he cannot fit his snowsuit no more. His blue and white snowsuit that he had since he was born. He can't fit it no more. So he had this too. So I'm sorry in this, but I ordered him a coat. Today Monday. I ordered it on Saturday. Say bye. Say signing out.